Peggy 18.
Once upon a time, long, long ago, humans and vampires dwelled side by side in Olsztyn. The arrangement was simple enough. The townsfolk kept a steady supply of animal blood, and in return the vampires promised not to sink their teeth into their neighbors. Olsztyn was a center where vampires from all over the world came to live in diversity, equality, and love. Unfortunately, a quarrel came to their home. The monsters found it difficult to put up with their differences. That was the moment when townsfolk attacked them and kicked almost all the creatures out of the city. Ever since, vampires have been avoiding each other. However, according to the prophecy, there's only one thing that can bring them all together in one city and make them forget all their misunderstandings. This is the death of one of them by human hands. At that moment, they will take revenge for the people taking advantage of their position and driving them out of the city.
Noble clans of night of Lithuania, Germany and Ukraine. A tragedy has befallen us. One of our own lies dead, discovered in the shadows of Olsztyn. A wooden blade through her heart. To all brutes, linger now is not time for division. We face a common enemy. Only united can we strike back with the fury that is old. I call upon you to gather in Olsztyn. Vengeance shall be ours in darkness eternal.
So, do you have any news?
No, not really. Do you?
Actually, I do. Have you guys heard about the dead body?
Yeah, but she was a vampire. It should be more of them.
But isn't it sad to slay someone only for being different?
No, she deserves her end.
Actually, you do.
Shadows rising, streets on fire. Brothers bleeding, hearts grow tired.
Diversity is a killing power.